First time I've ridden to Aberdeen. Should be alright, I guess. Don't mind me just getting lost in a car park. Can't see the sign, so that's helpful. Fucking shambles, man. I'm so lost. Hello, so today I am taking my bike in for a service. It's 8,000 mile service. The 8,000 mile service is basically just an oil change and a general look over. So you might be thinking, why am I taking it into a dealer just for its oil change? But ever since I've owned this bike, since 2020, tried to keep everything on the book, even oil changes, just to keep its resale value a little bit. So I don't know how much it is actually for just a straight up oil change. This is the first time I've just had that. Hopefully it's not too ridiculous, because I know how easy it would have been just to do myself, but I think it is worth it for the resale value. So I want to be able to advertise it as full service history, including oil changes at Honda dealerships. If it was a second-hand bike, probably wouldn't bother, to be honest, but since I bought it from new, that's why I'm doing it. So the place I'm going is in Aberdeen, so it's about an hour and a half, 2-hour ride for me. Aberdeen Honda Ecos, who I've never been with before. I used to go to the Dundee one. They were always great, to be fair. And that's where I bought my bike as well. This is also the first time I've ridden to Aberdeen, so should be alright, I guess. So I need to get to Inverurie, because we're not actually going into Aberdeen, we're going around it and then round the back of it, which, to be honest, I probably prefer, because not a big fan of riding through city centres, especially ones I'm unfamiliar with. They've all got their own little quirks, especially without a quad mount, which I really should have got on this bike. But it's kind of no point in doing it now. You know, I said for ages I wanted one, but I think I'll just wait until the next bike to do it now. Alright, Theo, I must be coming up for Aberdeen now. I left at about 12:15, so it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. Google Maps says it's going to take me about an hour and a half to get there, so is that Inverurie? Yes, it is, so I need to turn left. And I guess, yeah, I'll just park in here, fuck it. Where to go, where to go, where to go.
And so the weary traveller set off once again, waving to people as he left.
Yeah, you can.
It turned out that the next steps of his journey weren't as easy as he had thought.
How the fuck do you get out of here? I'm gonna fucking idiot. I'm so fucking confused. Is it that way? It's a fucking car park, mate. Calm down. Don't mind me just getting lost in a car park. Guessing it's town centre.
After getting lost in the perilous Morrison's car park, he moved to leave Inverurie.
I gotta do it. Sorry lads, it's only a little 500. That doesn't sound that great. Am I supposed to have gone this way? Obviously I have no fucking clue. Let's just go right here maybe, I don't know. Let's fucking just go right here.
The traveller used his untouchable navigational skills to get to his next destination.
No, I'm just gonna follow everyone else. Oh, for fuck's sake. As you already know, if you've watched any of my other videos, my directional skills are awful. Absolutely awful. I'll look at a map, I put it in my pocket, I'll forget it 5 seconds later. This is why I need some sort of phone mount at some point. It's actually not the safest thing either. You should really know where you're going, so you can just focus on the riding rather than, you know, just trying to think, oh, is it left or right, or yeah. Let's go towards the Dean. Oh, okay, that's a fucking, I don't even know what speed limit is here. It's ahead at this roundabout, if I remember correctly. That police car just flashed its lights. So I don't think it's this one either. Okay, there's Blackburn. So the next roundabout is right. Okay. Should I... You know what, I am going to stop off here quickly.
The traveller stopped again to check his map.
And just double check I'm going the right way. Nope, I am not going the right way. I feel bad that I'm coming this late to get my service done, but it's what it is. Is there anyone? Nope.
The winding roads ahead were less than ideal.
Oh, I really don't like these roads. I should have went the fucking main roadway. It's like being newly gravelled.
Sometimes being overly cautious of the locals.
Maybe that was overly cautious. Road looked thinner from farther away.
Suddenly, the traveller is met with two large golden arches and is reminded of home.
Alright, I'm going the right way. I remember there being a McDonald's. Of course my fat ass remembers there being a McDonald's. We have to turn right at some point towards Bridge of D. Fuck knows if that's going to be signposted. Yeah, definitely don't want to go to city centre. Okay, so you can't go up that way. Fuck knows. Okay, this looks maybe right, I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off here. I don't fucking know anymore. Can't fucking see the sign, so that's helpful. Oh man, I'm so lost. That probably wouldn't be a good place to fucking stop. No, I'm gonna go here.
With the smell of Big Macs fading into a distant land, the traveller is lost again. But maybe there's a glimmer of hope.
Shambles, man. Okay. I'm not too bad. Stay on the right of the river. Watch the road, stay on the right of the river. Alright, so I'm not as lost as I thought. I've just taken a weird route. This video is the greatest quad lock advert I can possibly think of, honestly, or any phone mount advert. Okay, so there is a right turn here. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what? It should be around the corner somewhere. There we go.
Having travelled through the treacherous northeast of Scotland, winding his way through the various towns and villages, the traveller had completed his journey, and is now more capable and mature for it.
Nice cock!